is he paddling? Are you paddling, Bella? We're paddling out to that island, right? The island! She's saying we're going to an island. One, two, three. Woo! Like a seal. That looks like a seal. No, it's okay. What are you eating? You good? We took the boat out to an island? Feel fresh, Bella? Good job. Bella's paddling the boat. Thank you for your help, Bella. The thing is already tied on. Oh no, Bella! Don't fall! Huh?